Osupa wá o. Gbogbo yín tó lè ṣe wèrè lánàá tẹ́ bá ṣe wèrè lẹ́nu. Màní kò bá yín jẹ́. Màní kò bá yín jẹ́ ni o. Bàbá bàrà orí ẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ́n lè wá sí. Bàrà orí ẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi fídíò tí mo mú wá fún yín lọ́sàn-án yìí ó fẹ́ dàbí ìgbà tá à ń kọrin a ó para wa láyò ó lélẹ̀ a ó para wa láyò ó lélẹ̀ ẹ̀rọ tí orin ta máa ń kọ láti gbà yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo fídíò yẹn gbọ́n kan tí brọ́dà mi yìí sọ kí lẹ rí sí i. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ̀yin mọ̀ àbẹ́ ẹ rántí ara àwọn item tí Òṣùpá ní fún àwọn personality kọ̀ọ̀kan? Èmi rántí many bọ̀ yìí tẹ́yìn náà bá rántí ẹ bá mi fi sí comment section. Fídíò yìí dùn gan ó lọ fà ọba orin ẹ bá mi subscribe sí ọkọ tí mi.
Àwọn mẹ́ta wo l'Òṣùpá ti ṣe anthem tó pọ̀ jù fún? So I'm going to be doing that now, and I'm also going to be singing my favorite anthems for each of them. Now, before we go into it, there is a difference between shout out and anthem. Shout out ni kí olórin mọ bọ́n ṣe ń pe orúkọ àwọn èèyàn ní ọ̀nà tó bá ìlú mu. A lot of Fuji musicians know how to do this very well. I'll give it to them. But when it comes to anthem, not a lot of them are as good as Saheed Osupa. And anthem mean kéèyàn wo àwọn nǹkan tó jẹ́ qualities èèyàn. I mean kólórin wo àwọn qualities tó wà lára ẹnìkan. Kó wá fa àwọn qualities yẹn kó sọ dorin in a way that tí ẹ̀yin bá ń gbọ́ àbí tẹ́ bá ń kọ ẹ máa rí ẹni yẹn kọjá bó ṣe wà lọ. So tẹ́ni ẹ bá rí báyìí on a normal day, by the time tẹ́ bá máa fi máa gbọ́ anthem àbí tẹ́ bá máa fi máa kọ́ fúnra yín ẹ rò pé ẹni yẹn tó báyìí ni. And from the selections I have made, you would draw your own conclusions. Now, the first person, I'll start from number 3. That's the third. Òun ni the late Aláàfin of Ọ̀yọ́. The relationship tó wà láàrin àwọn méjèèjì, I can't explain, because Táláàfin bá fẹ́ ṣe anything, you can place a bet that Òṣùpá is going to be the one to perform. Anything at all to require olórin. And one of such occasions was when he sang in one of his albums. Bóyá Fuji Boogie ni o àbí Stainless, I really do not know. If you know, please drop it in the comment section. Ó ní ló ṣọjọ́ bí mo ṣeré fún láàfin o, àwọn èèyàn pàtàkì Amẹ́ríkà pọ̀ síbẹ̀ o, personalities láti London wọ́n dẹ̀ wá o, ọmọ kú tí kú ò nílé pa ni ọmọ àrùn tarun nílé gbèdè mọ́, alátọ́ndá ọmọ kú Déyẹmí Lámìdí ọmọ àrùn o, ọmọ àdábàlẹ̀ o àdàbà òde Lámìdí bàbá Kọ̀fádé, bàbá Dóyin bàbá Ṣẹ́gun ọkọ Àbíbá, ọkọ Tìrámọ̀tù ọkọ Mẹ̀múnà, ṣóun lẹ rí tẹ kápó lápó, ṣóun lẹ wá rí tẹ tún kọfà lọ fàyè, ṣé mọ̀ pọ́ ọmọ kú tí kú ò nílé pa ni ọmọ àrùn tarun nílé gbèdè mọ́, alátọ́ndá ọmọ kú Déyẹmí Lámìdí ọmọ àrùn o, ǹjẹ́ kí lọ bá ń jó alátọ́ndá mi ṣẹ̀kẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ọba Déyẹmí Lámìdí ṣẹ̀kẹ̀rẹ̀ ní. Now imagine a 15-year-old boy who is listening to this song for the first time kó wá máa gbọ́n pọ́n ní èèyàn kan ọmọ ikú ọmọ àrùn. I was so confused. How come? Wọ́n wá tún ní ikú ò ní lè pa mọ́, àrùn ò ní lè gbèdè láìṣe Ọlọ́run. Now that is the extent to which that anthem added a lot of value to the already valuable Aláàfin. And Aláàfin lived very long before he died. So at some point I was like, àbó tọ́ l'Òṣùpá ń sọ pé máa yóò ní kú mọ́ ni. But yeah, that's just the third one. Now, the second person is MC Oluomo. Although at some point they had their differences, but from time, he has always given MC Oluomo one of the best anthems. And my favorite one was from, I think Big Daddy. That's the name of the album. Ó ní kò sọ́ba lóṣòdì àfo Olúọmọ ló wà. Olúọmọ Músílíù tó láwọn ìjòyè. Èèyàn Kókó Zaria àti ọ̀kan mọ́ ńlá láàjì àti pé ìtúkàdó ni bàbá ọba. Now, a young boy listening to this anthem, I was like, wait, bí Òṣòdì ṣe tóbi tó kò sọ́ba ń bẹ̀kẹ̀, even ní àdúgbò mi tí à ń gbé alọ́ba tún náwọn baálẹ̀. That was where I picked my interest in who is Oluomo, and this was, I think, in the early 2000s, like about 20 years ago, way before Oluomo became maybe the state chairman or whatever. But that anthem etched something in my head. That, how come? Who is this person? Tomani Kosoba instead of Oba Oluomo Lani Loshodi. So that's the second, and Osupa has gone on to give him a lot of albums. However, whenever Osupa gives Oluomo an anthem, he always puts Zaria beside him. But now that both of them are no longer together, yeah, it just makes it a bit, awkward. But Oluomo wà lára àwọn tó Osupa máa ń fún ní anthem tó gbayì jù. And the first one is Maja Sola Sunday, of course. Maja and Saheed Osupa, I don't know where they became friends from, but the moment they became friends, he had done a lot of anthems for him. And my favorite one of them is Maja Sola Sunday táwọn ayé ti mọ̀ sí gbòó, agbádá ńlá tó yan gúgúrú wàhálà ni, kó ra wìn kó ta wìn, Maja tó sinwó ńlẹ̀ àná, oríkúṣà àyà díndín ọkùnrin ogun, òun ló níyàwó kúkúrú wò lóńjọ́jọ́, pọ́mọ burúkú wúlò fún àǹjọ́ tí jọ̀gbọ́n bá dé. I mean, but yeah, Osupa is really, really good when it comes to giving anthems. Honorable mention includes Saheed Ibile recently. We have Farombi Babalado Nimushin. We have Badiosha, and I think we also have IBD Dende. Yeah, so let me know if there's any other person that has given a lot of anthems, and I'll be happy to learn. Thank you.